Alright, so I got my fan from Black Labs and open it up and install it. So it has the plug-in for the motherboard, which I don't have, but it has the adapter piece, which I need. So I'm going to plug that in. And then I gotta plug that into there and install that. That's cool. So now I just gotta mount the fan up in here and screw the other side in on the back. So the fan they sold me isn't the right size, but I'm gonna see if I can screw it in with this one screw and see if it's good enough to hold it up. Alright, so I got that screwed in. You guys can see I actually got it mounted in there with the one screw, pretty nice. So now I gotta take the end of this plug here and plug in, not sure about one side, but probably both sides. So it has both that one and that one. So I'm gonna plug them both in and then turn on my computer and see if it works. Alright, time to plug this in. I guess I'll just plug it into this one. There. Should be good. Have it all connected now. That's all in. Just gotta tuck this wire away from everything. And let's try to turn it on. Okay, now if this worked, I guess the LED should turn on when I turn my computer on. Let's cross our fingers. Ooh, look at that. Yep. Sucking in. Looks good. Look at that. That's nice. Looks great. Wow, look at that. That's really cool. So I got that running. Sweet. Job well done. So cool. That's my new LED fan from Black Lab.